Hi there. This video is for the Unit 8 post-test. You can go ahead and rewind this or replay this video as much as you need to, but just make sure that you have a piece of paper with Unit 8 post-test written on it, and that when you're done taking this test, you take a picture of it and submit it under Unit 8 post-test in Google Classroom. All right, number 1 is the word challenge. The knight was challenged to a duel. Number 2, distant. The pandemic made everyone feel distant. Number 3, important. Our television show was interrupted by an important announcement. Number 4, instant. A cup of instant hot chocolate tastes good on a cold day. Number 5, passenger. Every passenger wanting to board the airplane must have a ticket. Number 6, person. The person who broke the window should have replaced it. Number 7, pollen. We watched as the bumblebee spread pollen from flower to flower. Number 8, reason. Chloe did not have a good reason for quitting drama club. Number 9, talent. Amber will sing a solo in her school's annual talent show. Number 10, urban. More than half of the world's population lives in urban areas. Number 11, urgent. The wound on Connor's leg required urgent attention. And then number 12, woman. The police officer helped the elderly woman across the street. All right, that is Unit 8 post-test. Remember, take a picture and post this under post-test in Google Classroom to receive credit.